Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in Xenia wallet new event added and I will provide you the correct code of the event. First of all, click on missions. Now click on next campaign. Little scroll down. Here you see event option, and if you complete this event you will get 2000 gems. Click on event. Now click on enter code button. Here you see you apply code. I will provide you. Correct code is TRYGAME. All capital letters. Try game. TRYGAME. Then click on next button. Here you see I earn 2000 gems as a correct event code. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.